watch out for the hole.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Yeah, she's together for the most part.
Wow. First time seeing my car in like 2 months. Damn COVID.
On this, so I actually screwed it forward so you can actually open and close the door. But
Yeah, like this was already like this, so I don't even care about that.
okay.
So this is, yeah, I think it's mint. I'm just ready to drift again.
Hey, just don't hit anyone this time.
Right? Dude, I'm so happy I have this back. We're trying to social distance because I just recovered from COVID. But yeah, I'm get back to you guys when I get home. Alright, I'm now back home with my car and we can finally take a deeper look into it. So the car still looks amazing. I have my hood open just because I was looking at things like my oil cooler setup and all that. My headlights have always been so trash when driving, so they're pointed so far like downwards. Well, at least the light is, I'm not too sure, that I can't even see anything at night when I was driving home just now. It's pretty bad. Side marker fell out because, you know, they always do on these cars, so I'm gonna take the side markers completely off like right now. However, before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the damage. Well, this is the damage side, which from like right now, it doesn't really look that bad. You can obviously see like a dent right there. You can see the rocker panel, and then the really hard dent to see is like back here. Like obviously, like you can see that crease. However, it kind of looks like a normal body line, but at the same time it doesn't because it is pretty big. So they could not get the dents out, unfortunately. However, like look at that. Like it does not look bad at all. For having my entire side slammed in by an 86 with a bash bar on, that looks pretty good. So here is this side. We're gonna compare this side. So that side compared to, it's darker over here, but this side. Honestly, it kind of looks like I have a dent up here. Is there a dent right here? I don't know. I can't. It's making having that side messed up makes me question this side, you know. But now this side is completely straight. There's nothing wrong with this side. But obviously, come back on this side, and yeah, you can see that the door is not perfect anymore. So it is not completely flush. That's because this panel is dented in. It's mainly dented in like down here, and it comes all the way down my rocker panel. Up here, there's a gap right there as well. It actually looks pretty cool to me. Besides this part does not look cool to me at all. I'm surprised that they couldn't get this dent out. I guess it's hard to get out or something. I'm not too sure. I do have some paint chipping right here. It's a little bit of rust. So I'm just gonna have to clean that up really quick. And yeah, that looks like that's like the only part I need to fix up. When you open the door, this is when it gets a little dicey though. Well, it's kind of hard to even see, but yeah, well, it's pretty clear as day how dented in that rocker panel is. But for the most part, everything is straight though. So I got extremely lucky that the door took like all of the impact. So all they did was put a new door on, and they tried getting the dents out, and they couldn't get the dents out because the rocker panel was so bad. Again, I don't know about that one over there, but overall, I am actually really happy with the outcome of this. Now I just quickly took off my side markers, so no more side markers on this car, which that is no problem at all. Who likes side markers anyways on their cars? So I have no more side markers. Actually looks way better without that stupid orange piece right there. But man, I still am in love with the way that my car looks. Man, I miss this thing. I cannot wait to start sliding it again. Yeah, all the dents will come out once the rocker panel is fixed. That's what is holding them back. And then I have the seat, which the seat, probably gonna have to take the airbag out or leave it in and just sew it together. But most likely I'll take it out and then just easily just sew it all back together. Probably use the same red stitching that they have over here on this, and then it will look mint. Some of the stuff came out, but you know, not much. It was basically just this piece and it's like two smaller pieces down there. Other than that, the door is shuts just fine. Window operation, up and down, works just fine. Wind noise is not bad either. So overall, I'm just super happy with it. Like that, that's just amazing that my car was smashed in, and that's basically just the rocker panel right there. I'm really happy with the outcome. Another thing I forgot to mention is the seatbelt does not recline or go out anymore. I do fit in it though, so it's still buckled for me when I drove home and everything. Other than that, I have more mods coming for this car soon. And obviously I'm gonna make a video on fixing the seat and everything. And hopefully everything works out fine. I'm not too sure if I even wanna get the rocker panel fixed or not, because I think to repair it, it's between like $700 and like $1,400. So it's pretty expensive. I'm not too sure if I even wanna fix it because I'll be drifting it anyways. Roll cage though is something I really definitely need. But dude, a roll cage is almost as much as a turbo kit is, which I would love to put a turbo on here for the same price as a roll cage is, but you know, safety first type deal. But other than that, I guess that's the video. I got my car back. I'm sorry this is a short, quick video on getting my car back. I'm not really doing much. All I know is that this car looks amazing and I love it. And I'm just got to deal with having a push-in rocker panel for ever probably. I could get like a side skirt, but I don't know, like a side skirt that covers up, that will like literally go all the way up here, you know, and it would cover the entire rocker panel, and it'd be for both sides obviously, but I don't know, it's really not that bad, so I'm probably just gonna leave it the way it is. And that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next video, and we're gonna see how things progress from here. Peace.